This is the Fargan Blackbird I'm selling on Craigslist, and I'll just go over some real basic things with it and then play you some examples with a couple different guitars. The basic layout is very simple. You probably already, if you're interested in this amp, you probably already know a lot about the amp, but let me just kind of go through it real quickly for you. Volume, reverb, treble, mid, bass, pretty straightforward. I did have one modification on the volume. There's a push-pull pot on there that engages the bright cap when it's pulled out. I believe on some of his newer models he's got a switch over here that will engage or disengage that bright cap. This amp is I would say 2-3 years old, and I'm the original owner, and I've used it for mostly practicing, and I've taken it out on some few gigs. It's great. It's great, kind of a small, fits in small spaces, so the size is a really it's a really great amp. It's not too heavy either. It's really manageable to take around. This one has two 6L6 tubes in it, and I think they are rated roughly around between 30 and 40 watts. The design is, I believe, based off a Fender Blackfaced Deluxe reverb amp, and let's see, that's about it. It's a pretty straightforward amp. Like I said, I'll give you some quick little examples. I'll push and pull that bright cap in and out so you can hear what that sounds like, and I'll even throw in a couple of pedals later on, and so you can see what these pedals sound like with the amp. All right, here we go.